Yeah, I used to live in Brooklyn, working at a tech firm, but then I lost that cush job thanks to the recession. Now I'm out the job and I can't pay rent here, I can't pay rent anywhere. They evict me everywhere.
As you see, we got the drinks, we got the food. We gotta go upstairs though, but it's kind of
Everybody else will eat it. They'll be like, got headphones? Am I tweaking?
bro. It's like it looked like it's moving, right? But when you look at the water, that joint is still. Dude, the ripple is like moving, but it's not moving. See, we did move. I thought we didn't move. It just looked like we didn't go nowhere. We definitely went somewhere. Alright, I don't want to get copyright. So.
W. Woolworth Corporation. It was the first 99-cent store, but back then it was called the 5 and Dime store. Then to the right of that, you'll see a building that's green and gray, it's got squiggly lines in it. That's number 7 Street.